Hello everyone, here Victoria again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you. Today we want to try, never before we tried this one, but we know that not everybody is for high heels, so in Shoes of Hollywood we have even not high heels for the people that don't want to use. Not too much, but we have as well. They bring within this box as well, Fabulicious, and with the travel bag as well, which is good. It's pretty good, and they are super pretty. Oh my god, if you want to look elegant without high heels and shiny, this is a good option. Look at this. They are super cute, shiny. I love them as well. Sometimes you don't want to use high heels because you need to be comfortable, or maybe are not just for you. And here we have options for everybody. But they are super cute. Let's try. My god, I really love them. Even you can use when you go to the party and you then want to change the high heels and put some nice shoes, but without heels. It's a good option. So you can take both. You can wear high heels and these ones in your bag for change when you are tired. And they are comfortable. They make you feel super nice and super cute. What do you think, guys? Here in Shoes of Hollywood we have options for everybody. They are shiny. I really love them. Okay guys, I gonna walk around a little bit fast for show you how amazing look on their sunlight, but don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments, and click on the little bell in this corner for don't miss any video. Let's go to see how they shine under sunlight. Wonderful day. Oh my god, they are really shining. I love it. Definitely is a good option when you don't want to use high heels. They are super good. I'm in love of the shining. What do you think, guys? Maybe it's a good option. Turn around a little bit to show you the details. My sister, for example, she never wants to use high heels. If you need to look super elegant and fashion, you can choose this option. It's pretty good as well. And you're gonna be comfortable but elegant but cute as well. And they are shining super cute. Super beautiful. Okay guys, leave me your comments about what do you think about this option for the girls who don't want to use high heels. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.